All right, what do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah? Good look? Or is this better? Yeah. This one's like, yeah, let's go to the beach, bro. One's like, yeah, what's up, bro? This one's like, I don't know, I think this one's too. I'm gonna go with this. Okay, anyways, let's do some division. So 2,438 divided by 46 is a tough problem. And guess what, guys? The mistake that I always see kids making with problems like this is having a bunch of steps, like subtracting groups that are too small so that it takes them too long to solve the problem. And when you have more steps to solve a problem like this, it's just more chances for you to make a mistake. So you want to try to do it in the least amount of steps as possible. And one way that you can do that is by using your estimate to help you. Now, I've kind of set up a place for us to solve this over here. You can see that I already have my multiples listed out like Miss Murphy taught me to do yesterday. I got to do 46 times 10 times 20 times 40 times 50. I got them all right here ready to go when I need them to help me solve. And remember, on the last video, we made an estimate for this problem, and I think the best estimate that we had was 50. So I'm going to write 50 up here so that I can remember my estimate. And then right now, I'm going to show you how you can actually use your estimate to help you use less steps when you're solving a problem like this. Because remember, if you have more steps, you're probably just going to make a mistake. You want to use the fewest number of steps that you can. The way that you can do that is look at your estimate, 50. I know my answer is going to be around 50. So instead of trying to do like 46 times 10, 46 times 10, 46 times 10, and doing that 5 times, why don't I just make my first step 46 times 50? I know it's 50 is going to be close to the answer because I made my estimate already. So if you have an estimate that you think is close to the answer, you should start your first step should be around that estimate. Like, I'm going to just go ahead and start with 46 times 50 because I know the answer is going to be near there. And I already have this in my list of multiples here too. 46 times 50 is 2,300. Look, I'm getting a huge chunk out of the way in my very first step. This is going to make it so that I don't have like a million steps going down my page or whatever you're using to solve. I'm going to try to keep it to 3 steps here, and that means less chances for me to make a mistake, more better chance that I'm going to get the right answer. So I have 46 times 50 is 2,300. I'm going to do my subtraction next. 8 minus 0 is 8. Oh, 8s are hard on here, guys. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So look, I'm already at 138. I'm already so close to the answer just because I used my estimate to make my first step in my division. Okay, so I gotta think, okay, how close can I get in my next step? I think, well, we can't use any of my multiples over here, but if 46 times 20 is 920, then 46 times 2 is going to be 92. That's pretty close to 138. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with that one. Do that one next. I mean, 46 times 2, I just said would be 92. So I'll fill that in. 8 minus 2 is 6. Got to do my subtraction. Remember, you got to keep the place values lined up as best you can. 3 minus 9, I can't, got to do some regrouping here. So cross that out, put it over here. Now we have 13 minus 9 is 4, and I have 46 left. And I'm dividing by 46, so I just have to do one more group of 46. 46 minus 46, don't make it too sloppy, Mr. L. 46 minus 46 is 0. I have nothing left, no remainder for this problem. And so all I have to do now is add up all of my numbers here. And 50 plus 2 plus 1 is 53. So my answer is 53. And look, it's close to my estimate, and I solved it in only 3 steps. That's a win.